Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny.
yourself to relax in this posture, to let go. Take your time, gentle, you deserve it. Honoring ourselves wherever we are, because where we are is a beautiful place to be. Slide the right arm underneath the left. Maybe the right ear comes. Slowly roll all the way up to standing. Very slow roll. Head and shoulders are going to be the last to lift. Asana, and I don't skip over it. It is the fundamental posture of all yoga postures. Shake that out. Let it go. Middle, lift the chest up. Bring the palms together, right in front of the chest. Outer edges of and exhale.